to fostering our nationalism and patriotism. I am Cadet Major Andre Kiljob V. Inero, second class of Pilmar ROTC Unit. Proud to introduce to you the fancy drill team of Pilmar ROTC Knights.
Nanampal ka. Go!
The Pilmar ROTC Knight was established in June 2005. Its mission being to prepare cadets and cadets mentally and physically for future success in the military through a comprehensive training and development program. The Pilmar ROTC Knight specific objectives includes the preparation of cadets and cadets for service in the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Their training to become reservists and potential commissioned officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The company commander, Cadet Major Raymalin B. Halili, second class of Pilmar ROTC Unit, a third-year criminology student of Pamatasan de Luzon, Marikina, proud resident of Barangay Fortune, Marikina City. The company inspection officer, Cadet Major Malgarthor Lau, second class of Pilmar ROTC Unit, a second-year criminology student of Pamatasan de Luzon, Marikina, a proud resident of Barangay Tumana, Marikina City. The Gon Bearer, Cadet Major Calamari V. Sape, second class of Pilmar ROTC Unit, a second-year criminology student of Pamantasan, Luzon, Marikina, proud resident of Barangay Nangka, Marikina City. Render salute to the chairman of the Board of Judges, Lieutenant Colonel Rolando V. Noto, GSC, Infantry, Philippine Army Reserve, for this significant occasion.
Significant.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness with thrill and excitement as the group of young men and women from the Pilmar ROTC Knight perform the fancy drill. Unity stands as a visible proof of shared hardship, the sweat, the sacrifice, and the exhaustion borne by each individual, now transformed into one disciplined force. Bound together by unwavering dedication and strengthened by unbreakable resolve, they move not as many, but as one. Every command echoes commitment, every motion reflects trust. This is not merely a drill, this is the tribe of unity, forged by perseverance, sealed by loyalty, and proven on this very ground.
Baka kaya sakay niyo sa bus.
Its vision is to develop highly capable, well-disciplined cadets who are ready to serve and defend our country with utmost quality and urgency. A cadet who embodies the virtues of honor, honesty, and selfless service and who is dedicated to helping the country and the community. A silent driller is a person who masters precision. Every movement is a tapestry of elegance, where each step is not just a dance, but a testimony of their dedication and unity as a team.
Oh, nakalito si Bart. Yan dyan.
Their silence, great boundaries. Their movement embodies perfection. Observe the sun, the symbol of freedom and unity in Philippine history. It rays pierce the darkness, reflecting the courage, sacrifice, and perseverance of the Filipino people. Now the cadets are marching towards the cross formation, symbolizing their deep faith in the Almighty, believing that this is not possible without His power and guidance. No words were spoken, no commands were given, only the unbreakable trust between the cadets, their eyes locked on their targets.
Ah, yun lang yun. Ay, may bata ka pala dun.
Being a cadet is not easy. There's no easy way to become a fancy crew. Their training involves vigorous drills and exercises. What you are witnessing right now is the result of hours under the sun with a commitment to improve, grow, and develop their skills in handling rifles. This contribute to the discipline they embody.
Section na agad. Ay, plastic yun. Hindi ko na yun, plastic.
In a world divided by differences, we rise as one unit. Through sacrifice, tears, sweat, and blood, we forge our strength. We are not just a team. We are warriors, bound by discipline, loyalty, and unbreakable camaraderie. Our country and the people, these are the things we are living for. These are the things that give us strength and inspiration to undergo a life of hardship and sacrifices. Just as the petals of a blooming flower bloom in perfect harmony, the drillers perform synchronized movement with seamless precision. The planting of rifles shows utmost discipline. This is a result of conscious efforts and sacrifices and mastering each movement. As the group was one, stepping in perfect unison, their formation tightened into a flawless line. Each step was calculated, each movement a display of discipline and coordination. We are the PLMR ROTC Knights, a disciplined and service-driven unit, guided by the core values of Marikina: discipline, good things, and excellence. Every step we take, every formation we execute, reflects our commitment to these principles. Through dedication and hard work, we earned a top 3 finish at the second SERRCG ROTC Fancy Drill Competition 2025, a moment that showcased our teamwork, precision, and unwavering pursuit of excellence. Each performance we give is more than a demonstration of skill. It is a testament to our discipline, our unity, and our pride as cadets of PLMR. But our service goes beyond competition. We actively contribute to our community through public ceremonies, national commemorations, and civic engagements, striving to inspire the youth, strengthen patriotism, and uphold the standards of the ROTC and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We are the PLMR ROTC Unit Fancy Drill Team, disciplined in action, excellent in execution, and steadfast in our service to the nation and to the city of Marikina. Together, we move as one, guided by honor, pride, and purpose. You are now witnessing as the company inspection officer, Cadet Major MacArthur Lau, second class, conduct the company inspection. Cadet Private Mark Johannes M. Agualio, a first-year criminology student of Pamantasan Lungsod ng Marikina, the proud resident of Barangay Nagka, Marikina City. A first-year criminology student of Pamantasan Lungsod ng Marikina, a proud resident of Barangay Santo Niño, Marikina City. It is the study cadets, the solid engine of the brave, beating not for the individual, but for the unit, the line, the nation. It is the drum of discipline, the